In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online, and we'll accomplish this in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply need to process a payroll check manually, this guide is here to walk you through each step with ease. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. If you're already logged in, that's great, but if not, go ahead and click on the Sign In option. This will prompt you to select the QuickBooks Online choice if it isn't already selected. Once you see the sign in page, type in your credentials, which are your username and password, and then hit Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled New. Click on this button. It's your starting point for creating any new transactions. From the drop down menu that appears, select Check. This is crucial as it enables us to record the manual paycheck. After clicking check, a new form will appear where you need to specify the payee. This is the individual or entity to whom the paycheck is being issued. Input their name or select them from the drop down if they're already in the system. Taking this step ensures your records accurately reflect who the payment is going to. Next, you'll need to choose your bank account. This is the account from which the paycheck funds will be drawn. You can select the account from a list of options that should appear in a drop down menu. It's critical to ensure this is done accurately to maintain precise financial tracking. Following this, you'll see fields for adding the item or category for the check. This segment is all about categorizing the payment correctly, whether it's a salary, bonus, or another type of payment. This information is not just for your records, but also helps streamline your financial reporting. Now, if there's a specific amount you want to input for this paycheck, go ahead and fill that in the amount field. Double check this figure to avoid discrepancies, as accuracy here is key to maintaining balanced accounts. Once you've completed all these entries, you'll be ready to finalize the process. Look for the Save and Close button, usually located towards the bottom of the form. Clicking this not only saves your work, but also seamlessly updates your financial records reflecting this new transaction. Finally, if you want to establish consistent processing for manual paycheck transactions, you can navigate over to the Rules section. Go back to the main interface and look for Rules in the menu. Setting up rules is a great way to automate certain actions in QuickBooks, minimizing the need for repetitive manual entry in the future. And that's it, you've successfully entered a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing payroll transactions becomes a straightforward task that integrates seamlessly into your routine bookkeeping activities.